In 1972, he starred in The Harder They Come, the film that introduced the world to Jamaica ghetto life, corruption, and the sound of reggae. The movie and its soundtrack were revolutionary. Cliff's performance as Ivanhoe Martin, based loosely on the real-life Reagan, showed the struggle, resistance, and spirit of the Jamaican people. And the title song became a rally cry for dreamers and the downtrodden. But Jimmy's career didn't stop there. He toured globally, won a Grammy, and even appeared in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, which is super dope. He sang Many Rivers to Cross, a soul-wrenching track that touched literally everybody, from church mothers to Hollywood directors. He also took a stand. Cliff rejected the commercial pressures of major labels, spoke out on apartheid, inequality, and the struggles of poor people, all while blending ska, rocksteady, and the roots reggae like a master craftsman.